How to see if someone has Snapchat Plus. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to see if someone has Snapchat Plus, what you're simply going to do is first open Snapchat on your device. Then, in the top left corner, you can see your Bitmoji. Click on it. After that, scroll a bit down and go to the option which says My Friends. Over here, you'll see all your friends. But in my friends, nobody has Snapchat Plus, so I cannot know if they have or not. So if I want to know, you have to notice two things. I'm going to be teaching you two things how you can know if someone has Snapchat Plus or not. So the first thing is if someone has Snapchat Plus, then they will have a black star like this next to their name. And then you will know if they have Snapchat Plus or not. And the second thing you can do to notice if someone has Snapchat Plus or not is if the story posted by someone lasts for longer than 24 hours, then they will have Snapchat Plus, as that is a feature which only Snapchat Plus users have. So these are the two ways that you can find if someone has Snapchat Plus or not. So thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next one.